so sorry. It's been a long time. I have been what you call it's been a long time. I've been posting. I'm sorry. If you guys have been like having fun with me, like you guys having fun like watching my video. I'm so sorry. If you're hating, I'll hate you. If you just said okay, I don't care. If you guys just said I don't care, you cannot get. I see you grinding right. I see you grinding around time with the girl I love. And I'm like, forget you. I see you grinding around time. Subscribe to me because I want more subscribers than my cousin, and don't subscribe to her. Unsubscribe if you subscribed to her. Her channel is Adassa something, but her name is Adassa House. But you can also type in Delori's house. I'm gonna put it in the thingy. Put it in the what you call it, in where I'm gonna type on the title or whatever. Okay, let's see if this is gonna work. Christian, Jojo, come. You come, Jojo, you come, Jojo. Say hello, Babas. Say hello, Babas. He's cute, right? Oh my goodness, but he is very naughty. He's playing with you. He's gonna get you. Gonna get you. Got you. I got you. I got you, Christian.
Hey, can you